Publius Cornelius Tacitus Annales, episode 16. Filius, collega imperii, consors tribunucii potestatis adsumetur, omnisque per exercitus ostentatur, non obscurris ut antea, matris artibus, sed palam hortatu. In the previous portion, back here, the previous episode, remember we ended with this, that all things cuncta were converging on or heading to this point. It was actually illuc cuncta vergere, and then we had this colon. So here is what Tacitus says everything was leading to. Her son, Filius, and this means the son of Livia, namely Tiberius, her son, who was the collega imperii, a colleague in the royal power. So Filius is masculine, singular, and nominative because he's going to be the subject of adsumetur, and collega is also masculine, singular, nominative. It's a first declension masculine, and it is here used in apposition. Imperii is neuter, singular, genitive, second declension. So then, Livia's son, namely Tiberius, a sharer in the imperial power, as a consors, a companion in the tribunitian power, he is taken in, adsumetur. So adsumetur is a third singular, present indicative passive, and it is moreover from the third conjugation verb adsumo, adsumere, like so. He is received as a consors, that is a consort, a sharer in, a partner with Augustus in the tribunitian authority. So this is feminine, singular, and genitive, potes, potestatis, third declension, modified by this first and second declension adjective, tribunucii. So if you look this up in the lexicon, you will get tribunucius, first and second declension. That's how it works. And que omnis, notice I pronounce this long because it is accusative, omnis per exercitus. This is also accusative. And through all the armies. So these are masculine, plural, and accusative, exercitus, fourth declension, object of the preposition per, modified by omnis. Remember that the third declension accusative can be either omnes, like that, or omnis as a long. And he is displayed, we might say paraded, through all the armies. Finally, Tacitus says that this is done non obscuris utantia matris artibus, not done by the hidden designs, obscuris artibus, and both of these, therefore, are feminine, plural, and ablative. I take them as ablativus instrumenti, an ablative of instrument, not by the hidden designs of his mother, matris, feminine, singular, genitive, of course, Livia, but by her open palam, by her open urging, hortatu. So hortatu here, masculine, singular, and ablative, another ablative of instrument, but this time from the fourth declension noun, hortatus, like so, hortatus. And then here we have an artist's rendition of a bust of Tiberius. Once again, this is the individual who would replace Augustus, and he would rule from 14 AD to 37 AD, a long and perhaps undistinguished reign.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.